So this morning I was talking to a guy. He had shot me an email and I was creating a loom for him. And he was, asking about, can you help me out, this and that? How much would it be for you to look at my funnels? And I was like, I was looking back through these different sales campaigns that I was doing where we were doing, 50 grand a month, 58,000 a month. I even pulled it up in my actual Stripe. I know people are like, oh, well, that, didn't happen. And I'm just thinking I was charging $9,800 and $5,800 for this thing that I'm, now charging $97 a month. And I was like, you get 8 calls a month with me and, you get 2 hours a piece. And I looked it up and that's like $6 an hour. You can hang out with me. And this is a while back, right? I mean, you can see what some people have paid me here. I blocked out their names. But this is some of the numbers here. This person paid me $17,000, $15,000, $14,000. And, these are some of the things that I was charging for this same type of program that people have paid me for. And you can get on with me and ask me anything. I'm sharing the same program. And you might be going, well, why are you doing that, Mike? Well, because, and this was a while ago. This was back in 2019. This guy was paying me this. I've gotten a lot better since then, But I'm not trying to toot my horn. It's just like you don't do this on accident. This isn't something that just you wake up and you're like, oh shit, I can't believe that happened. And I'm just teaching people how to do this stuff. And so, if you want to learn how to get numbers like this, or if you want to learn how to grow a business, and you want to get better at it, well then you can join the Build Lab here. So what you can do is you can do, if you go by the year, which you'd actually get each session for like $3, which is almost ridiculous. I need to probably just raise the prices on this already, but you get a 27 module program, and it's constantly updating as the tools and technology updates. You're getting a library of resources, roadmaps. You get pre-built templates, pre-built funnels. You get live weekly Q&A calls with me that are recorded out of the program. And then I give you a daily video each day. And I show you exactly, what I'm doing and what I'm learning. And so it's pretty powerful. And you have all of this, and you get a community of people that just love to help you. And we go over all these things, and I give you all the stuff that you need to build an online business. Now, maybe you're selling digital products. We can show you how to do that. Maybe you want to start a paid recurring subscription community where you're helping people solve their problems online. I'll help you do that. If you look right here, you can kind of see some of the stuff we go over. The bulletproof business model, perfect customer blueprint, figure out what's your offer, who you talking to, how do you talk to them, what's your message, how to build out your perfect product roadmap. Like, how do you build a product like this? How do you create something like this for yourself, and where do you put it so people can pay you and get access to it? Here's how to create endless lead generators. How do you generate leads? For every dollar you spend generating leads, it turns around $44 on average, and those aren't my numbers. You can look that up. Just Google HubSpot email marketing statistics and ROI. You'll be like, dang, pretty good. You're also learning how to do the VSL video, the offer amplifier video, what I call it. I show you the automated profit machine. So website, pre-built funnel, pre-built everything you need, right? The value train, my fractal marketing method. I show you how to do go live, how to do content marketing, how to do email marketing, and then maximizing brand impact. Here we talk about the AI tools, how to do ads and retargeting, and then of course some outsourcing stuff. And just every day I'm releasing in here the things that are making it happen for us and for other people. And so for basically the price of an energy drink each day or less, you can get access to that. So it's pretty gnarly when I really go to think about it. But I thought I ought to share that with you to put it into perspective and help you understand that we're just here to help you. I've been doing this stuff for quite a while now, and it's all we do. It's all I do. And every day we just try to get better at it and help more people. So if you're interested in that, then you can just head over to makeonce.com, and you can watch a video. And what I'll do in that video is I'll go over this stuff so you can see if it's for you. You can see all these things here. And I'll tell you what, I'll even give you this map right here that's got my model in it, the flow, and I have videos at each one of these where you can go check out the videos and learn how to do this stuff. And some of you probably just watch this video and know how to do it yourself, because I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff in this video and go over it with you. But anyhow, I just thought I'd bring that to your attention. If you want to start a paid subscription community, or if you want to have an online business where you're selling digital products so you have time freedom, good profit, and you can help people solve their problems online, then I encourage you to go check this out. Again, all you have to do is just go to makeonce.com, and it's right there for you. You can check it out. It may not be for you, but it may. And this is something that if you pay attention to it and work good with it, it can be a 6 and 7 figure deal for you. Okay, obviously can't promise you that, but I don't know your work ethic and all that jazz, but it is possible. We do it. I showed you the numbers there in the beginning. So anyhow, I hope this reaches you well. I hope you go check that out, and hopefully I get to see you on the calls.